Yo, this bird just flew to me. It just wants me to feed it. Look at this, watch. Got him with a bird. Look at. See it? Here. It just came up to me and asked me to feed it, basically. So, I'm feeding it. See it eating? Pretty cool. Right, buddy? That's wild. It just came up to me and asked me to feed it, so I fed it. It just flew off of the tree, and then it flew right here on top of there, looked at me, and then came right here and asked me for food, so I gave it a worm. But it's a pretty cool bird, huh? It just came out of nowhere.